Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate chip cookies without butter and brown sugar. First, gather your ingredients. For the butter, we will use a neutral oil like vegetable oil, about 1/2 cup. Instead of brown sugar, we'll use a mix of granulated sugar and coconut sugar. Coconut sugar offers a lovely caramel flavor and helps keep the cookies moist, similar to brown sugar, ensuring your cookies are still wonderfully delicious. Now, let's start mixing our wet ingredients. In a large bowl, combine the 1/2 cup of vegetable oil with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of coconut sugar. Whisk these together until they are well blended. Next, crack in 1 large egg and add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Continue to beat the mixture until it becomes light, fluffy, and creamy, which usually takes about 2 minutes. For our dry ingredients, in a separate bowl, whisk together 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Now, slowly add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing only until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the dough, as this can make your cookies tough. Finally, gently fold in 1 cup of your favorite chocolate chips until they are evenly distributed throughout the dough. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Drop rounded tablespoons of cookie dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving about 2 inches between each cookie. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden brown and the centers are still slightly soft. Let them cool on the baking sheet for 5 minutes before moving them to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your delicious, butter-free, brown sugar-free chocolate chip cookies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.